Hi, welcome back. Thank you to everybody who subscribed to the channel. It's much appreciated. We are going to be shooting 4 different types of calibre: .177, .20, .22 and .25. We are going to see the effect these guns have on different types of target. No living targets will be shot. I hope you enjoy. These are all legal limit air guns in the UK. This is the HW99 with a .20 barrel fitted. This is a dartboard. I'm going to shoot with a .20 air rifle. It is the legal limit air gun in the UK. I'm going to shoot it to see what happens. The dartboard is 15mm deep. I'm going to shoot with the 2-0. I'm going to aim around the 16. See what damage it's done. Entry hole about 6mm. And a semi-clear hole at approximately 2.3mm across. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Please consider subscribing.